What's up, guys? Parker McCumber here with the Service First Products team. We're headed down to Cedar City, Utah today to gift a flagpole to a National Guard veteran. We're going to gift him a 20-foot telescoping flagpole kit. We also have a flash collar here, 3x5 sewn embroidered flag, and a solar power light topper. Pole's going to look great. Here's the house before. Can't wait to see where he picks for this. Clearing, kind of centered. Pea gravel, bring the flagpole over so we can grab the sleeve out. Hey Eric, I just want to say thank you so much for your years of service. I wanted to present you this flagpole from Service First Products.
Appreciate it. It's kind of nice to get some service myself. 20 years in the military, I've done a lot of funerals, did a lot of giving away flags, and it's actually pretty nice to get one myself.
There she blows.